I'm making an easy and healthy shawarma platter today. Thinking of what to cook for dinner is almost a stress. What about a healthy shawarma platter that can be enjoyed by all in the family? For this, you can use a heavy bottom pan or a grill. Spread some olive oil and place boneless chicken pieces which has been marinated overnight with yogurt, garlic, ginger, chili powder, olive oil and salt. For the fries, you can cut up 2 large potatoes and keep them in cold water before grilling. Also grill whole garlic, onions and chilies. Give a good mix in between and flip the chicken when one side is done. It doesn't take much time for the chicken to cook, so take it out as soon as it's done and slice them. Chop finely a bunch of parsley and in the same pan add 2 large onions chopped. Sprinkle some salt and olive oil and saute them for 2 minutes. Then add the chopped parsley, chicken, tomato and a dash of lemon. So there you have a much loved dinner. Enjoy with whole wheat kuboos and olive oil mayo. Save this for later.